I'm going to start by placing the steering coupler onto the steering box shaft. It's a little tight, so I will lightly tap it on. Now I'll put the steering column into the car and align it with the steering coupler. I will use the mounting nuts to hold it in place while I continue to work on it. I will now push the seals into place. Now I will install the steering column firewall mounting plate. We'll put all the bolts into the mounting plate and tighten them up. Here I will install the nuts and bolts for the steering coupler and tighten those up as well. Now that that's all completed, I temporarily mounted a steering wheel so I can maneuver the car. Thank you for watching.